Hello and welcome to Seeker UK. We are now one of the largest independent dealers for styling in the UK on commercial vehicles. We specialise in the Seeker Raptor. That's our biggest sort of invention, but we've got into the Defender now. We've always messed with Defenders on the older ones, but the newer ones are so much more versatile. So this one's been styled for a customer. We've SRX packed it with the largest 22-inch wheels and mud terrain tyres, side steps, wide arch kit in body colour. We've fully de-chromed it and black packed it throughout. We've added the rear windows because obviously it's a commercial, it comes with a plastic side, so quite nice to put that in. We've tinted the front and rear lights. We've added a rear spoiler. Wheel cover's been blacked. Mud flat pack has been fitted, so actually looks beautiful. Tinted lights make it really nice. So there you go, SRX styling pack from Seeker. So like I say, it's been done for a customer. So if you want yours doing, go on our website. There's a full price system breakdown, or speak to our sales guys. We've also added a rear seat conversion. We've been on this for about a year. We finally succeeded. There you go. So there's the rear seats. Drop down. There you go, so drop fully down, so you've got the load space. There's the windows on the inside, giving it a nice light airy cockpit. Jump seats on this one, that's not a standard, but you can have that. So this one's actually now a 5-seater with these temporary rear seats. I'll show you from the side. There you go. Actually look really good. So rear seat conversion. Now on this one, shut these doors. You cannot get on the 90 Defender commercial, you cannot get leather seats. So if you want them doing, we can do that for you. We've had leather these up, simulating the original factory passenger style. Nappa Leather. You know, it looks absolutely amazing. We've added a new floor throughout, which you need to do that in the commercial. So go on our website, look at the prices, and if you want yours doing, get in the queue because we've got nearly 50 odd to do. Thank you very much. Bye.